What up, everybody? So this is kind of a different video. I mean, this does have to do with multi-rotors. YKS generously sent me this servo tester, and you can test it's a multi-port. It's all metal construction, which is super awesome. A lot of the servo testers out there like this size are just the boards with like a plastic shell that's, pretty crappy. This one is all metal construction and it's very, very nice. It's got 3 ports, so you can test 3 servos or motors at once. And it's got a power port over here, and you can use, a battery like this, and you can just plug it in right here. And it has three modes there. So manual, neutral, and auto. And I just used the manual just to test. I'm just testing these motors here on my 180 build. And so YKS sent this to me like almost at the perfect time because I was in the middle of this build. So, awesome timing. So thank you, YKS, for this. But I thought I'd show you guys just how it works and show you what it's used for. It's used for a lot of things, servos, for rudders and all sorts of things on airplanes and stuff where you're actually using some sort of, lever. I'm just going to be using it to test this motor here just to show you how it's done. And this is a counterclockwise motor. I've already got the ESC wired up and to the power distribution board here. This is where my CC3D board is going to sit. This frame is so tiny that having everything fit into it has been a challenge. But I have a mini CC3D board and I have a mini Devo receiver, so it'll fit there in the camera up here. But anyway, let's get back to the servo tester here. And so what you're going to do once you have the ESC and the motor wired to the ESC and the ESC power onto the power distribution board, all you need to do is plug in the ESC connector here, and you plug it into one of the 3 right there, and make sure the knob is all the way to the left, so you're not surprised, and don't have any props on your motor when you're testing these things. Make sure you don't have the props on. So then all you're going to do is, I have the battery here for the power, so I'm just going to plug it in, and you can see that the motor made a sound. Oops, I got this one in here wrong. So you could hear the motor charge up, and you can see that it's got power and everything. So I'm going to cover this light here. So now with this switch here, this knob, you can actually test to see if the motors will work, and to make sure they're spinning the right direction. So definitely works, and it is spinning counterclockwise, even though it's kind of hard to pick that up. It is spinning counterclockwise. Awesome. So great little, let me disconnect this here. So great little servo tester. You can get these on Amazon. There'll be a link in the description. I think they're right around $14, so they're pretty awesome. And like I said, solid metal construction. This thing isn't going to accidentally fall and just fall apart. And it does have the 3 modes, and it's a multi-servo tester, so pretty awesome. So I have to thank YKS for this. And if you're building anything, any flyer, you're going to need one of these, because if you get everything put together and find out a motor didn't work, you just did a lot of soldering and stuff for nothing. So these are really essential to have in a build. So thanks for watching, guys.